Welcome back to Liviaro Studio, where cozy charm meets creative living. If you've ever dreamt of creating a beautiful farmhouse-inspired outdoor space, but felt held back by budget concerns, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into budget-friendly farmhouse outdoor decoration hacks that look stunning, feel authentic, and won't break the bank. From DIY rustic pieces to clever repurposing, you'll walk away with inspiring, doable ideas for your porch, patio, garden, or backyard, even with the smallest budget. What are the easiest farmhouse outdoor decoration hacks that won't drain your wallet? Don't miss a moment and watch until the end for practical, affordable inspiration. Segment 1. Reuse and repurpose. Turning trash into treasure. The heart of farmhouse style is loving imperfections and character. Old items can become your best decor. Look around your garage or visit a local thrift shop for things like wooden crates, ladders, mason jars, or old chairs. An old ladder can turn into a vertical planter or a towel rack for an outdoor kitchen. Weathered crates can be stacked to create simple shelves or rustic side tables. Even broken garden tools can be reused. Try turning a rake head into wall hooks for hats or gardening gloves. Farmhouse style isn't about being perfect. It's about texture, purpose, and warmth. These reused pieces add story and charm, making your outdoor space feel more natural and inviting. Segment 2. DIY rustic signboards and chalk paint magic. Farmhouse decor loves signs, especially handmade ones with simple, warm words like gather, welcome to the porch, or this is our happy place. You only need reclaimed wood, sandpaper, chalk paint, and a stencil. Adding rustic lettering to old wood instantly creates a vintage farmhouse feel. Another easy idea is using chalk paint. Paint inexpensive or mismatched planters to make them look like a matching set. Choose soft farmhouse colors like off-white, sage green, charcoal gray, or dusty blue. With just a little paint, even budget finds can look like high-end farmhouse decor. Segment 3. String lights and candles glow on a dime. Soft lighting instantly makes a farmhouse patio feel warm and inviting. String lights are a great choice and they don't have to be expensive. Solar fairy lights or basic bulb strings can be clipped to fences, pergolas, or trees to create a cozy glow in the evening. For a rustic look, place tea lights or LED candles inside mason jars or tin cans with small holes. Hang them from tree branches or place them together on a wooden tray. Simple lighting like this adds warmth, comfort, and farmhouse charm without spending much. Segment 4. Palette projects for the outdoors. Wooden palettes are a favorite in farmhouse decor, and many times you can get them for free. They can be used to make outdoor seating, plant holders, or even vertical herb gardens. With a little sanding, palettes can become a simple outdoor bench with cushions. You can also turn one into a vertical planter using small pots and twine. Another easy idea is a palette coffee table with wheels and a light whitewash finish. Palettes are affordable, eco-friendly, and easy to customize. Just be sure they are heat-treated and safe to use at home. Segment 5. Fabric and texture hacks. Cozy on a budget. Textiles can instantly make an outdoor space feel warmer and more comfortable. You don't need expensive pillows or throws. Old blankets, tablecloths, or curtains can be reused as pillow covers. Burlap is also a great choice for a rustic farmhouse look, and it's strong enough for outdoor use. A simple drop cloth from a hardware store can be turned into cushion covers or wrapped around pillows. You can add painted stripes or simple plant patterns for extra farmhouse style. Hanging light curtains with tension rods or copper pipes also creates a soft, breezy porch feel. Layering fabrics adds texture, comfort, and that cozy farmhouse charm without spending a lot of money. Segment 6: Farmhouse Planters and Green Touches. Plants bring life to any outdoor space, and farmhouse style keeps them simple and natural. Instead of buying new planters, use items like tin buckets, enamel pitchers, baskets, or even old boots. The more rustic they look, the better. Choose easy farmhouse plants such as lavender, rosemary, ferns, or succulents. Group them in small sets and mix different heights using crates, stools, or hanging baskets. You can also make a small raised bed from scrap wood to grow herbs or vegetables. Even if space is limited, a few plants or herbs near a window can still create a warm farmhouse feel. Segment 7: Seasonal Touches with Natural Materials. Let nature guide your decor as the seasons change. In spring, add potted flowers and soft pastel accents. In summer, use lemons or simple vintage pieces as center decor. For fall, bring in pumpkins, dried corn, and cozy throws. Use natural items like pine cones, dried flowers, or small branches. Turn them into wreaths, garlands, or table centerpieces. By following the seasons, your decor stays fresh, affordable, and true to farmhouse style all year long. You don't need a huge budget to create a warm, inviting farmhouse-style outdoor space. All it takes is a bit of creativity, a love for simple beauty, and a willingness to see potential in everyday items. I hope today's video gave you fresh, practical ideas to transform your outdoor area into a cozy farmhouse haven without spending a fortune. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know your favorite hack in the comments. Until next time, stay grounded, stay creative, and keep finding joy in the little details.